Welcome back to Reggie Beatz Media, and today we're going to be customizing our Shopify Beat Store that we have built on our previous video. I see you guys are liking that video, so I'm like, let me make a part 2 so we can take our Beat Store from looking like this into this. I'm your boy Reggie Beatz. Make sure you hit the sub button so that you don't miss any more dope music producer content. So there's a part 1 to this video and the link is right there in the description below. It's a very quick video. Quickly watch that one, get back to this one, and let's get it. Okay, cool. So you're gonna start with the editing process. First thing first that we want to do is to change the background picture because we want to give it a different feel. So I'm gonna select on image banner and go to change and just explore free images. Let's see what we have. I'll just type, let me say music. Let's see what cool pictures can go with beats. I like this one. Yep, okay, cool. Now we're gonna click on select. You'll see why I like this one. So as we scroll down, we get more options. So here we see image overlay opacity. We're gonna change the image overlay opacity to around, let's say 10%, because this image already has a dark background, so we don't need to make it any more darker. And the banner height, so this is the height of this banner. Gonna select medium. Let's see how that looks like. Medium is not bad at all, for real. Okay, now we're here on desktop content position. This is where our banner content will be aligned, so we're gonna go select bottom left. The image behavior, let's see if we put ambient movement, check what that happens. Oh, that's dope. That is dope. Shout out to Shopify. Alright, so now let's try and change the color of this button. So as you can see here, we have the color scheme that is applied to this section. I click on edit, so we're looking for the background, solid background. I think that's this one. Let's try and make it blue. So the label, let's see, I think it stands out a bit like this. That could be fine as well, so we'll just leave it like this for now. Then yeah, this is how it's looking. It's not looking bad at all. Let's go back. So let's see here, maybe somewhere right here we might add some more text, just to make it a bit broader and have more space. Let's see if we add a text block, and then we'll just write. So I'm gonna change this text right here to caps lock beats. I think that's a cool name, caps lock beats. Okay, now let's go change that ugly ass logo and put the correct logo there. Just go to settings, go back, then there's logo, not edit, change. Select from library, here's the logo that I want, select. Alright, cool. So now our homepage is looking dope. Now we need to go change this section here. First thing first, we want to edit this here. We can just say trending beats. Okay, and let's see if we click here on the trending beats section, so it shows all the products. As you can see, this is the settings for this section. Let's scroll down and see if you can change the size for this. It says maximum products to show is 8, the number of the number of columns. So yeah, we need to have more columns there, but we need to add more beats so that we can be able to see how the columns are looking like. So I'm gonna go back, exit, no, stay, because I want to save my content first. Click save. Now I can go back, exit again. Then I'm going to tune, boom, that's the bomb. Then now I'm gonna add more beats here. I'm gonna show you how to create the first one, then I'm gonna fast forward the rest because I'm gonna add like 5 beats. Now go to create. Okay, so now I'm currently adding the beats. It's a very simple process. I've covered this on the previous video. The link is in the description. Alright, cool. So I've added 4 more beats. Now we have 5 beats. Let's go to our website and see how it's looking like right now. So if you scroll down and you see, okay, here's our beats right here. And I feel like we need to make them 5 beats per row so it can look a bit better. So let's go back to our Shopify admin. We're gonna go to online store, then you're gonna go to customize, gonna scroll down, we're gonna click here on the beats, and you're gonna scroll down. You see here it says number of columns on desktop. I'm gonna show 5. Let's see how 5 columns it look like. Looks way better right now. And you're gonna scroll down as well, and we're gonna go to enable quick add button. I'm gonna do that. Now we have this button here. So yeah, it looks pretty dope. So now we need to make sure that we hook up this browse beats button to this section. So when you click here, it goes to this section. It's not as easy as it is like in WordPress here on Shopify, but I found the technique. So first thing first, we're gonna open up your page, which is your website. Then let me just refresh it so you can update with the new design. Let me save it first. Now we're gonna click on view page source and search for trending beats. So we are searching for trending beats because that is the name of our section, or is the title that we've put within our section. So that should guide us to the section ID, which is just mostly right above the title. There it is, the section ID. So just make sure you copy this section ID because you're gonna need this to link our button. So we're gonna go back to the site. We're gonna go to browse beats here. We're gonna put hash and paste that ID there, then click on it, then click on save. Now we're gonna come back to the website, refresh. Let's see, when I click on browse beats, there we go, perfect. Haha, looks nice. As you're taking a quick peek of our website, we've realized that the logo hasn't changed yet. So let's go back to the dashboard admin, go to online store, then go to customize. Okay, cool. Now we have our logo showing there. We can click on save, then exit. So let's click on one of the beats so we can play the beat, and we can add to cart. And here's our licenses, and let me show you how you can edit these licenses. It's very simple, but for this free version of the plugin, as you can see, the plugin comes through with free version, basic plan, and the pro plan. Currently we are using this one, which means we're gonna upload up to 5 tracks for free, and you can also have only 2 licenses. So when I go back to the dashboard, go to Tune Boom, and here by licenses and contracts, and you can see you only have premium license and basic license. If you click on create, it's not gonna allow you because you're only allowed to have 2, but then you can edit them, and you can change the name or change it any way you want to change it, and then you can change also the digits on the contract. So for my next video, I will definitely have the basic plan or the pro plan, so we can be able to add more features, such as, let me go back to the page, an embedded player here. So you can click here and everything just plays by its own. No need to go into the product first and click play. So that's all part of the pro or the basic plan, but I'm gonna play around with it this week, and then I'm gonna drop another video on how that works. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the sub button. If you are made to address a specific section or a specific feature, please put it in the comment section below, and